boil up over half a box of this Penne Pasta. Fry up, cut up some chicken. I take the fat out of the chicken tenders and I fry up the chicken, cut it up in little pieces. Oops, you can see that there. Then I'm going to add some ingredients. I'm going to add this Italian dressing, which really gives it a tangy taste. Some salt, some pepper. Just add as much as you need to taste. Garlic powder, paprika, onion powder. I'm going to add all that to my chicken. And then when it's browned and cooked a bit again, I'm going to put in these onions and cherry tomatoes and fry all that up, and then I will add the pasta when that's nearly done and season a little more. So the pasta's drained. I'm going to add a little touch of butter to this. Just like maybe half a tablespoon. And then all the same ingredients that I did with this, which is pretty well done now. Tomatoes and onions in there. So just add the same ingredients: onion powder, some pepper, parsley, paprika, just a slight touch of salt, and the zesty Italian dressing. Let's shake this up a little bit. Now I'm going to add that to the frying pan with the chicken and fry that up a little bit, and I will show you the final accomplishment. So here it is. Tomatoes, onions, chicken, and pasta. I'm not quite sure what to call this meal, but I usually just say a chicken and Penne Pasta as my title. If you know a better one, let me know. But there it is. I'm going to enjoy that now. Have a good night.